Hi everyone, I'm one of the librarians at Lindell Library at Augsburg University, and I've created a video for you that's going to show you how to find the different types of books that are available to you through the library. I'm here at the main page for Lindell Library, which is library.augsburg.edu. And when you encounter this for the first time, you're going to see that everything will be selected on the general search bar, which is the search bar that you're going to be using to search for books. And what you're going to want to do right off the bat is select where it says books. So that's going to limit the results down for what the library has to just the books that we have available to you. And we're going to focus on a book that we already know the title to. So this is searching for books by its title. So you know exactly the name of the book and you just want to see where you can get access to it. So what we're going to do is click in the general search box, and I am searching for a book called Evicted: Poverty and Profit in the American City. So I'm actually going to write it out as I see the title written. So books typically have a main title, and then they have a subtitle, which is a little bit of extra information that tells you a little bit more about what the book is about. And usually these two pieces of the book's title are divided by a colon, which is those two dots right there. And you'll see that I'm using quotation marks in this search. If I know the name of something, I use quotation marks to make sure that each word is glued together in this exact order. If you don't do that, it will actually scramble each of the words up and it will find a book that has all of these words in it, but just in a different order, which is not the book that you're looking for. So you want to make sure you use quotation marks if you're looking for something by title. You can also limit it to a specific place. So if you're looking for only books that Augsburg can provide you with access to, either in the library building itself or online through our ebooks, you want to click on Augsburg only. If you click on Worldwide, it will search most of the world's library catalogs all at the same time, and then you can order the book from a different library using Interlibrary loan. So I'm going to select Worldwide just so that we can see what that looks like and see what comes back. So what you'll see is the first result is going to be the actual book, which is by Matthew Desmond, and it was published in 2017. And it will tell you if it is a print book or if it is an ebook, right in this icon right here. What you're going to see is this alphabetical and numeric code, which is the call number. So the call number tells you where the book is going to be organized in our collections. So we don't organize books by title. We don't organize them by their author's name. We organize them by these call numbers, which are printed on the spines of every single book in the collection. So if you're curious about where that book might be located, so where these call numbers are, if you go back to the library's page and you click on the Need Help button, or if you just hover your mouse over it, you'll see that we actually have maps of each floor of the building. And those maps will tell you where the call numbers are on which level. So A through K is going to be up on the third level. So H is going to be in that section. And we can go back to our search results and we can see that our call number is going to start with the letter H, and so it's going to be up on the third floor. So if it's a print book that you're looking for here at Augsburg, you're going to want to make sure that you write down or take a photo or just have this call number handy. If you're looking for a book that's in print and we don't have it, you can order it from another library, and you'll see held by other libraries worldwide. Sometimes you'll also see held by Minnesota and the Dakotas. They mean the same thing. We don't have a copy here in our library, but we can have you order it, and then it will be available for you at the library's circulation desk or the front desk, which is on the first floor. So we call it the circulation desk or the front desk. That's going to be on the first floor of the building. You're going to click on the title of the book that you want to order, and then you're going to see that there's a Request through Interlibrary Loan button that is going to be visible down here. You click on that, and then you're going to see that there's a form that will populate with all the information that's already filled out for you. All you have to do is to submit that request. Please keep in mind that you cannot order an ebook through Interlibrary Loan. So these are going to be print books. That's the only thing that you can order through Interlibrary Loan. We can't do it for ebooks. Now let's try to find an ebook now, because I think that's going to be helpful as well for you to see. I'm now going to show you what happens when you see an ebook. So sometimes you'll see that we don't actually have a print book. We actually have an ebook instead. We have more ebooks now than we do print books. So you're likely to see an ebook sometimes as you're searching for books by title. So I'm going to use a different title for this example. I'm going to be using The Economics of Aging as the title. And again, I'm putting that in quotation marks because I know what that title is, and I want these words to show up in order. Books are still selected, and I'm picking Augsburg only this time so I can see where that ebook is. I'm going to hit search. And you'll see that there's going to be a view ebook button that's available. And you can click on that view ebook button. And then you'll see the record for the book, which kind of has a number of different sections. You can download PDFs of specific chapters. And we recommend that you click on Read Online. It's faster to click on Read Online, and it allows other people to access the book at the same time. And here you can see there is the entire ebook that is available for you. And you have a number of different options to explore up at the top for a number of different tools. And you can also search inside of the book, which is one of the benefits of an ebook, and hit enter, and then it will actually show you each time that the word appears, and it highlights it for you. So you can access ebooks as well using the library's catalog. One last thing I'll show you, which is true for ebooks as well as the print books, either here at Augsburg or ones that you find in libraries worldwide. All of these books have the ability for you to cite the book, generate a citation for that book automatically. And that's going to be right down here where you see that cite appear. And if you click on the title of a book, you're also going to see that the cite option is visible as well. When you click on that citation button, you can select a style for the citation. I'm going to use APA in this example. And you can copy the citation, and then you can paste it into your works cited page. Please keep in mind, and it says right here, that you need to proofread the citation because sometimes it gets it wrong. And in this example, there's definitely something that's wrong, which is insert missing database name. So it doesn't know exactly what database it's coming from. So you would have to correct that. But that is still something that will help you out as you're creating citations for the books that you find through the library.